Bonjour, bonjour. Ça va? This audio file is about the useful expressions using to be and to have, être et avoir in French. And these expressions usually allow us to describe our physical conditions, our mood. For example, with to be, être in French, I can say je suis déprimé, which means I'm depressed, or je suis de bonne humeur, which means I'm in a good mood. So these are expressions which are quite useful because we use them almost every day. And there are such expressions, like I said, with l'auxiliaire être and l'auxiliaire avoir, to be and to have. And it will be very helpful to learn them and memorize them. So the first session will be about expressions using être. We have already studied, we have already learned how to conjugate être in the present tense. We also know all the subject pronouns in French, je, tu, il, a. So for the sake of space and time on YouTube, because as you know, I'm not allowed to post a video of more than 10 minutes, so I will just use je. And okay, as an exercise, you can use tu, il, nous, vous, just to see how comfortable you are with those pronoms personnels in French. I have just noticed, I made a mistake. I have just noticed in the chart. Open your Word file. You will see at the bottom of the first chart for the expression être fâché, fâché, I wrote busy. Well, I don't know what I was thinking, but busy means occupé in French. It's not fâché. And fâché is not busy. Fâché should be angry. And in Spanish, I wrote ocupado. Ocupado, it should be instead enojado or enfadado. Estoy enfadado, estoy enfadada. Pero no es estoy ocupado. Para decir je suis fâché en español, usted tiene que decir estoy enojado o enojada o enojada. So I'm very sorry, lo siento mucho. Hay que cambiar eso. Okay. So this is expressions using to be. Être. Je suis heureux. Je suis heureux. Je suis heureuse. Je suis content. Je suis contente. Je suis déprimé. Je suis déprimé. Je suis de bonne humeur. Je suis de bonne humeur. Je suis de mauvaise humeur. Je suis de mauvaise humeur. Once again, more slowly. Je suis de bonne humeur. Je suis de bonne humeur. Je suis de mauvaise humeur. Je suis de mauvaise humeur. Je suis amoureux. Je suis amoureuse. Je suis seul. Je suis seul. Je suis pressé. Je suis pressé. Je suis inquiet. Je suis inquiète. Je suis triste. Je suis fâché. Je suis fâché. Again, don't forget to change fâché. Fâché will be angry. I'm angry, not I'm busy. Well, I made a mistake. I just don't know. Okay, so je suis fâché. I'm angry. Estoy enojado. Estoy enfadado. Not I'm busy. Not estoy ocupado. Okay. And as you may have noticed, heureux, content, déprimé, de bonne humeur. No, de bonne humeur is not an adjective. What I meant was heureux, content, déprimé, seul, pressé, inquiet are adjectives, except for de bonne humeur and de mauvaise humeur. Adjectives in French can vary according to the gender and the number. So heureux became heureuse because heureuse is referring to a feminine gender. You will need to add S to heureuse if we're talking about a group of ladies or girls. You need to add S. Same thing for content. Je suis content, je suis contente if I'm a girl. Je suis content without S. But if you say ils sont contents, ils sont, which is a plural, ils sont contents, then you'll need to add S to content. If you say elles sont contentes, you need to add S to contente. So you get the idea. Adjectives in French can vary. Okay, so now let's use those. Let's move on to the other section and study those expressions using avoir. We have j'ai faim, j'ai soif, j'ai peur, j'ai sommeil, j'ai chaud, j'ai froid, j'ai raison, j'ai tort. Again, j'ai faim, j'ai soif, j'ai peur, j'ai sommeil, j'ai chaud, j'ai froid, j'ai raison, j'ai tort. And these expressions with avoir, the nouns, they are nouns. Faim, soif, peur, sommeil, chaud, froid, raison, tort are nouns. And in this case, they will stay the same. They won't vary, unlike the ones used with être. So, j'ai faim literally will mean I have hunger. I have hunger. The English used the auxiliary verb to be, and they will add the adjective, which is hungry. But in French, they use avoir and they put the noun. So they say, I have hunger. J'ai faim. I have hunger. J'ai soif. I have thirst. But, well, so make sure you use to be when you actually mean to have. Yeah, it's kind of strange, but, well, this is how it works. For those who speak Spanish, okay, they have no problem because tengo hambre is literally j'ai faim. It's the same. Tengo hambre. But in English, they will actually say I am hungry, which is not. I am is to be, which is être, and être is not to have. Okay, I won't make it too complicated, so I guess you get the idea. Don't forget to change in the first chart with to be expressions with to be. Change busy into angry, and change ocupado, ocupada with enfadado, enfadada, because être fâché means to be angry, estar enfadado, and not busy. So once again, I'm sorry, and I don't know how it happens, but well, thanks for watching this audio file, and I see you very soon. Merci et au revoir. Bye.